Hello, Brother Thane. So here is mine and Abby's project. And so we add new quote. Come in here, ask for a name. Let's do Billy. Billy Joe. How about Billy Joe? And we'll change this a little bit. A little bit as well. Gets a few drawers. Surface material. Pine. Why not? Delivery time. 5 days. Get quote. It pulls it up. Thank you, Billy Joe. Here's your dream desk. All the size, all the information that we put in there. Hit close. So now we're in here. If we hit view quote, pulls it up. There's Billy Joe. There's his stuff. Three drawer, pine brush, day 5. Information. Hit cancel again. Sorry about my phone. It's going crazy. Anyway, so then we search. We don't have any in limit, but if we go to pine, we go to Billy Joe and we hit search. There he is. There's this thing. You can look at some of the other ones we have in here. I think I went under rosewood. Yeah, see, there we go. There's some orders. I think that was everything. Yeah, that's our app. Thank you for watching.